Basic derivative rule, if we've got y equals x to a power, what do we do to that power? Take 1 from the power and bring the power from the original function down to be the coefficient. So that's the basic derivative rule. Bring the power down to be the coefficient and minus 1 from the power. And that gives us the derivative of a basic function, a basic polynomial. So then if we have a negative indice 1, so y dash, the derivative is equal to, what are we doing with the power? Take 1 and bringing the power down as the coefficient. Okay, what about c? Any thoughts? How do we find the derivative of c? So simplify it. So it's important. Remember I talked about that yesterday. If you can simplify it first. So we can divide both the top and bottom by x. So you're left with 1 over x to the power of 6. It's the same as x to the power of negative 6. So then the derivative y dash is equal to bring the power out the front, take 1 away from the power. But if you can simplify it first. Today we're starting if the power is fraction. That's what today's lesson's about. So it's more or less the same idea. You bring the number out the front as the coefficient, so bring the power out the front. And what's a half minus 1? Negative a half, okay? Here's some more notes if you'd like to write them down. It's basically you're following the same rule. Just because it's a fraction, you're going to end up with a negative indice for the derivative. It's basically the tip.